and sizes, etc. Okay. Then we come to analysis. Analysis or OLAP analysis is the concept where you use the data warehousing transactions like slicing and dicing and rolling up, drilling down, these things. So then we'll go to Analysis Studio, where we'll discuss the user interface, we'll create an analysis, add charts, and drill up and drill down. Discuss. Okay. Analysis is in business intelligence is actually for the business users to find the root cause. It actually points you to the why of business. So why of a particular event. Okay. Then with analysis, the enterprise data that we have is scanned using different combinations of data. So enterprise data is actually being investigated with different combinations, which is not actually possible in case of a traditional system. But here in traditional MIS systems, or in BI, what you are doing is you are putting in combinations of data, and with help of that, you are actually scrutinizing the full enterprise data. So what are the values? You are doing your analysis and finding out trends and patterns, and then use it to take your business decisions. Okay. You can also use charts and graphs to understand changes over time. Okay. Analysis Studio is again a web-based tool where you have a drag and drop environment, which is also available in case of Report Studio or Query Studio. But Analysis Studio, the difference is it works for dimensional models only because the main goal is to do slicing, dicing, drilling up, drilling down. Okay. So using Analysis Studio, the business users can focus on a particular item. They can understand trends, patterns, and deviations. They can compare data, two data sets. They can compare those data sets. They can assess the performance by checking the highest and lowest values. If you need, can highlight the highest and lowest values and then check. Okay. You can determine the relative importance using calculations. Okay. So relative importance means one particular entry is more than the other, in which way maybe you are going to take a weighted average of it so that you understand that actually the entry for A gives me more returns than the entry of B. That's how it's done. So there are things called growth and rank which actually help you in this regard. Okay. You can always share your findings with other business users. Okay. Next we go to the Analysis Studio user interface. Here is the insertable objects pane. Here is the menu bar, and here is the across tab. You can see this is actually an analysis where you can put in the measure in here, and rows and columns, put your dimensions, and you can do the analysis. See here, what we have done is we have just put in product in here and a time dimension here. So, and we are putting the expected volume here, so that this is the measure, and these are two dimensions which take care of my rows and columns. This is product and this is time dimension. So you can see that once you drag and drop these three items, this report gets formed. Now, as this is a dimensional model, you can drill down. So you can, if you click on camping equipment, it will show you the products that you have inside camping equipment. Okay, you can actually change the views from crosstab, only crosstab to only chart, or maybe crosstab and chart. So you can do that by just clicking in here, view, and then choose the particular one. Crosstab and chart shows like this. You can actually drill up and drill down in both the chart and the crosstab as well. So what I was talking about is drilling down. So when you click on this particular entry in here, or maybe this entry, you get down to the next level where this entry, this camping equipment, becomes the summary level. Okay. Now this is for drilling down, and if you want to drill up, you need to right click and choose drill up. So you can go to the upper level. Okay, then we'll go to dashboarding.